Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the definitions of management which are given by 5 different contributors in the field of management and business. Moving on, management is the art and science of getting things done. How will you get things done? By having a proper plan. So planning, organizing, directing, coordinating, and controlling are the factors involved in proper management. So management is the act of getting people together in order to fulfill desired goals and objectives using available resources in an efficient and effective manner. So it is very important that you will have to know your end result or your objectives and goals clear before setting up the content to your team. So it is also important that a manager uses efficiently the resources that are available. So when I say the resources, it could be the teams, it could be the technology, it could be the tools that are available to him or her in order to fulfill the set target. Most of the authors, now today, as I told you, will be focusing on 5 different definitions. So all of these 5 different authors or contributors have given the definition of management considering 4 main aspects. What are the 4 main aspects? Now, to give you this paragraph, if you're writing the examinations or any definition specifically on your own, you can consider adding these 4 points because this makes up this makes up the definition. So the economic performance of an organization is definitely taken into consideration because the ultimate goal or an objective of any managed work will be economic performance. It is very important that the management is taking care of a proper delegation, or the work is getting properly delegated. So that is given as directing people. So then we have decision making and functions, which include planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Moving on to the first contributor, he is Frederick Winslow Taylor, commonly known as F.W.Taylor. He is also called as father of scientific management. Now he says that management is the art of knowing exactly what you want the people to do and then seeing that it is done in the best and the cheapest way. Now, skillful or efficient managers always gets their work done very efficiently. Efficiency is measured in what kind of cost that you're saving for your organization, whether you're getting the same kind of work done in a cheapest way or not. Now, these are prominent characteristics of best managers in any organization. Now, F.W.Taylor says that management is an art of knowing exactly what you want to do, your team, what you want the team to do. So basically, how exactly you're delegating the work, how exactly you're executing, your team is executing the work, and making sure that you are getting the things done in a cheapest and the best way possible. Moving on, we have another contributor, Peter Ferdinand Drucker. Peter Drucker is also known as the father of modern management. He says that management is a multi-purpose organ that manages business, manages managers, and manages workers and work. Naturally, group of workers will definitely need a manager. Group of manager will be managed by a superior boss. Now he comes under the organization. This is a kind of a hierarchical definition given by Peter Ferdinand Drucker. So he says that management is all about managing people at different levels in the business. Moving on, we have Louis Alexander Allen. Louis Allen says that management is what a manager does. What kind of managers that you have in your organization defines what kind of business that you're doing exactly in the industry. So having a suitable or a perfect fit in terms of your management will definitely define your efficiency in the market or the kind of profits that you're reaping out in the market. So management is what a manager does according to Louis Allen. Moving on, we have John Franklin Mee. J.F.Mee says that management is the art of securing maximum results with a minimum of efforts so as to secure maximum prosperity for the employer and the employee. Now, in order to give the best possible service to the public, the team has to put in minimum effort in order to achieve a maximum output. That's what we all want. We all want to do smart work. Teams nowadays are moving towards doing very smart and efficient and effective work in order to reap out maximum benefits. Now, the ultimate goal is again the maximum prosperity to the organization. So according to John Franklin Mee, management is the art of securing maximum results with a minimum of efforts so as to secure maximum prosperity for the employer and the employee. Naturally, if an employer is growing, the employee also grows. It's a vice versa. Then we have two different contributors here. One is Dr. Harold Koontz along with Heinz Weihrich. Harold Koontz and Heinz Weihrich says that management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in a group efficiently accomplish selected goals. Now, it is very important to maintain a pure environment, a business environment, in order to keep your team motivated to get the task accomplished. So management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in group efficiently accomplish selected goals. That's it for today. Thank you.